Alright, so you can kind of notice behind me that, hey, we have a shower and a tub. So, yeah, second part. Let's see where we left off on the first one, and then show you how this happened. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that quick time lapse. And definitely hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up like I said previously. That way you're checking out the notifications for the rest of this build and many other things coming up in the near future. So until now, to be continued. Alright, so I'd cut open the access panel. I'm more likely going to have to change out these valves just so they can sit more into the wall. That way I can put the cover onto this. I still need to actually secure this in, glue it in. And then coming in, so you guys can see that we've already actually finished up all of the demolition. I got basically cleaned up. We have a lot of our tools sitting here. So now what I'm having to do is get the framing squared away. So from this wall to that wall needs to be 60 inches and we're at 61. So I went and got some of these furring strips, put that in. It's roughly a 1/2 inch thick, put it on both sides, and that'll give us the measurement that we need. And then once I want to set the tub in, just kind of get a feel of the measurement, or I'll even take measurements of the tub, because some of this I'm more likely going to need to redo, because I can see that there were signs of leaking actually at this joint here. But this whole thing is getting replaced, and I don't necessarily have the equipment to be able to re-sweat these pipes. I will try to reutilize this one because this just screws in. These do just screw in. So if that's the case, I might even just be able to cut the pipe here and then just get kind of like these quick connects like this to redo it, and it'd be basically the cheapest way possible. And then just getting the other pipe, which I either have to use a copper like this and then try to figure a way to solder it, or I can get the black pipe that just screws in and be able to come down. But per code, you have to use either the black pipe or the copper pipe. You can't use the PVC or the PEX. All right, but all this piping is good, coming all the way up. So I want to try to reutilize as much of it as I can. So I think that's what I'm actually going to do, is just get some of those quick connects. That way I can cut, and do what I need to do to be able to get this disconnected from here. I can get this disconnected from here, reutilize all that, reutilize as much as I can, and then just get the one pipe that goes down. And you can find those black pipes that are already pre-cut, that are threaded on both sides. And I have a feeling I'm going to need roughly an 18-ish. I'll double check before I go buy it. What a mess. So got this dug out. You can see the reflection. All right, so I got that all dug out. That's good to go. Piping, so I got it up to this level for now, so that's basically where the valve is going to go. And but I need to get that finished, cleaned up a little bit, get where the drain's going to go, get all this cleaned out, and then we can get the tub set in, and then I'm going to continue on with the valve installation. So let's go. Alright, so I went and got one of these. It's a little rubber coupling. So 1.5 inches, it actually goes to the cast iron side, and then 1.5 inches goes to the other side, which is your outside diameter of your plastic piping on a tub. And when we get to that portion, you actually get a chance to see what that looks like. So I'll put this down here. Some of the dirt out of the way. I got room to turn this. This is a T-handled nut driver. You can do this with a socket. It'll be just fine. Alright, that actually fits really good. Alright, next up is to get the tub. Well, next up I actually have to take all these off. So this one, basically all these on both sides, this side too. Gotta take those off because I put those on there to kind of fill the gap in, but it closes in too much because I need 60 inches. And yeah, so instead of doing that, you guys will get a chance to see what I'm gonna do. We did this once before. I forgot to take those off. Yeah, these are gonna be in my way. Got ahead of myself. Yeah. Alright. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's connected in there. So let me get the flashlight. So it lines up into that little rubber coupling pretty well. And now I just gotta get it tightened down.
both sides?
Yeah, it's evened out.
In order to put the slide in those other things? Okay.
Well, I'm just doing the one for right now.
Okay.
The one for right now.
Get the other one and put it in there and see how that goes.
And then, let's see. Oops. Because this.
It's so beautiful. Oh yeah, there. It goes up. There we go. There it goes there. There. Yeah, it's perfect over here now. Yeah. Boom. You want to check 150 this, or level it? Do you want to level it?
I mean, as long as it's sitting there.
It's sitting on it. It looks like it's sitting on the tub.
Yeah, kind of.
Well,
not really.
Well, if it's not, look at this.
Yeah.
That means you need to take this out and put an extra strip so that this can lean a little forward. That's what you need to do. Actuality, right? So unscrew that in order for it to be tipped over.
Yeah, because none of this stuff is straight.
Yeah, because this one's all the way back already.
Easy killer.
So you think that was enough space there? Oh yeah, it is. You're right.
Yeah, that's close enough.
Yeah. So,
And I'll do the same thing on that one, but I'll wait.
yeah. Oh, yeah, I just unscrew that. Yeah. Yeah.
Give me a couple more shrimps.
Sure.
got me. Alright, so I finally got the shower part done. Well, as you can see, we're still going to have to finish all of this up here, okay? But I am going to have to try to figure out some type of trim for that, because, right, that's a wall, covering a wall, so it sticks out a little bit. This is the original wall that is part of the bathroom, which is actually the correct size for this to be a shower, or for a tub, because it fit in there perfectly for that, other than a few little shims that you saw. But you see, I got hardware in now. We got us a spigot, got us a valve, got us a shower head, and we have water. So I definitely thank you guys for sticking with us along this build. It's been crazy, and nothing here is straight. And hey, it is what it is. I got it done. Hopefully the girls can take a bath tonight. And yeah, I guess whenever we get back to doing this part, there might be a part 3. I don't know. But give us a thumbs up, share it out to your friends, and we'll see y'all next one. Bye-bye now.